So here's how we can share widget layout on the iPhone. Let me show you and talk about all of the possible ways we can do it. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything. So there are a few ways or methods, right? So if you are, for example, switching from an old iPhone to a new one, in that case, during the setup process, make sure you have the devices nearby so you can actually transfer all of the things from one iPhone to the other. This includes the apps, the photos, but also layout of the apps and widgets, right? So that is how we can do it if you have like a brand new phone. On the other hand, if you have like an existing devices which are set up already, you just want to share that, well, there isn't like any button to just share it, but you can most definitely capture a screenshot like that and share it over to the other phone, for example, through AirDrop, and that person could manually replicate that widget layout. So most importantly, it would be like making sure they have the actual app that the widget is from and also the sizes and everything, but you can only do it manually. It's not like you can share it with, like with just a click of a button and the other phone will basically adopt the same look, right? So you can kind of like share it, but only as an inspiration or, something to draw inspiration from, but not really as a one-click solution that would just make it appear automatically, right? You would still have to hold down on the screen, go to the widgets and, just compare it to the old iPhone and just drag the exact same widgets, perhaps get the app for those widgets, as I said, if you don't have that. So that is how you can basically do it. I would really appreciate your feedback below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you managed to set it up. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the upcoming tutorials as well.